Hello my dear children, I am your teacher Diana. Good morning all of you say good morning to ma'am. Good morning. For today, ma'am is going to do an activity related to the topic birds. Are you all ready to do the activity along with ma'am? Okay, come on, let's move on to our activity. Ma'am is going to teach you to do a paper bird, a paper folding bird, okay? And we are going to enjoy coloring, and after coloring we are going to make a frame of it and hang it on the wall. Okay children, are you all ready to do it? Come on. So we need a printout of a bird outline and a picture of birds for coloring. These picture outlines will be given in the description. You could check it in the description and enjoy doing these activities. For this activity we need a bird outline picture. For the paper folding and for the photo frame, we need a picture of a bird. Then a scissors, sketch pens and crayons for coloring. Okay, come on, let's move on to our activity. First, let's color the peak of the bird. Which is the peak of the bird? You're right, this is the peak of the bird. Always while coloring, first color the outline of it and then you should color inside. Okay, color the outline and then fill in the color little by little. Oh wow, it's finished. That's it. Now we are going to cut the bird outline. Now cut the bird outline. Tell your parents to get you a plastic scissors for this activity. If you have a steel scissors, then you get the help of your parents. Okay children? Plastic scissors are available in the market. You could get a plastic scissors for this activity for cutting. Okay? You should also practice to use the scissors, that is the plastic scissors, which will sharpen your mind. Yes, you will have a good concentration while using the scissors. You should concentrate on the line and cut it carefully. So, using scissors is also one of the activity in the kindergarten. But you should use it very carefully. You could get a plastic scissors and use it. Okay children? While using the steel scissors, must be very careful. If your parents are near to you, then you could use it. Or else you shouldn't use a steel scissors. You should use only a plastic scissors. Is it okay children? Yes. Now we are cutting the wings outline of the bird. Yes. Now it's completed. Yes. Now what are you going to do? There is a center line. Yes, we are going to fold it into two. Yes. A center line is given. Just fold it. Fold the wings. Yes. Now the paper bird folding is ready. Use a black sketch and mark the bird's eye. Yes. Now bird paper folding is ready. You could enjoy playing with the birds. Could you see the bird? Yes, see the wings. Wow, it's flapping the wings and it's flying. You could enjoy playing with this bird. Do you like this activity, my dear kids? Yes. I'll be sharing the outline in the description. You could go on, click onto the description and enjoy doing this bird activity. Okay, let's move on to the next activity. Now we are going to enjoy doing the coloring. Yeah, now we are going to color the photo frame of two birds. Are you all ready to color, my dear children? Come on. For this activity, you could use the crayons. Yeah. First, let's take green color. Let's color the frame. Yeah, let's color the photo frame. See how ma'am is coloring? Little by little, first color the outline. Always don't forget, color the outline. Now, you could just draw a zigzag line randomly, and then now you could color it inside. Yeah. First, let's color it. Color the frame and then color the bird. Okay, children? Yes. Enjoy doing the coloring. Ma'am loves coloring. Do you all love coloring, children? Yes, we all love to do coloring. Yeah. It's completed. Now, ma'am is going to use blue color to color the remaining part in the frame. Color the border first. Yes, you all are right. Color the outline, that is the border. Yes. Now start doing the coloring. Don't color the bird, we'll color the bird at the last. First, let's color the frame. What color crayons am I using? Blue color. Very good, children. All of you see blue color. It is an art related activity. For each and every topic, ma'am will be posting the art related activity. You could check and enjoy doing these activities. These activities will improve your thinking skill, your creativity, your imagination. Wow, it's very beautiful. Okay, now let's color the bird. Okay, use red color to color the peak of the bird. Yes, use red color to color the peak of the bird. Yes. Next, use black color to color the legs of the bird. Wow. Next, I am going to use two colors now to color the bird. First, I am going to use yellow. For the first bird, I am going to use color yellow. Yes. Wow, the birdie looks so pretty. And use orange color for the wings. Wow, very nice. Okay, now I'm going to use pink color to color the next bird. It's your wish, it's your creativity, it's your imagination. You could color according to your wish. Okay, children? You could color according to your wish. Ma'am likes yellow color, so I have colored the yellow bird, and the second bird I am coloring it with pink color. Wow! I am going to use yellow for the wings. Wow, see, ma'am has completed the coloring. How it looks? Wow, it looks very pretty. The bird photo frame looks so pretty. Will you all try this at home, my dear kids? Will all of you do the coloring and post it in the comment box? Yeah, I will enjoy seeing your coloring, my dear kids. Enjoy doing the activity related to the topic bird and keep learning. See you soon in the next class. Bye bye, children. Bye bye.